Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope by the end of this video, you get to subscribe so you can join the Healthy with Benna family. And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back. On today's episode of Healthy with Benna, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I make this soft, moist, crumb, and lightly sweet almond cake with a pop of lemon and coconut flavor. Guys, needless to say, this cake is delicious. This is actually my best almond recipe and I hope you get to try it. You will not regret it. It is so easy to make, and guys, let's jump right in. So for our almond cake, we will need the following ingredients. I have my almond flour right here, the blanched. I'm using the blanched almond flour, guys. Make sure when you're buying almond flour, you look for the one that's blanched. It doesn't have the peelings on there. I have some sliced almonds there. We'll top it up with. I have some melted butter. I have some coconut sugar, unsweetened shredded coconut. I have my eggs right here and I separated them. So I have the egg white and the egg yolk. I have my lemon zest. It's going to add a really fresh flavor to our cake. And I have my baking powder and my salt. So let's put this all together, guys. So to start, I have my almond flour in here. To that, I'm going to add my baking powder and a pinch of salt. I'm also going to add my shredded coconut. I'll mix it properly and I'll just set this to the side. You want to make sure you mix properly so the baking powder can combine. Next, I have my egg yolk right here, and to that I'm going to add my coconut sugar. Oops. And I'm just going to use my immersion blender right here. If you have an electric mixer, you use that. But I'll use my immersion blender and just blend this for about 3 minutes until the egg yolk becomes lighter in color. Next, I am going to add in my melted butter as well in there. I'll just mix it once more for another 1 minute. So this has properly combined. I am going to pour this into our flour right here, the almond flour. And to that, I'm going to add a lemon zest. And I'm just going to mix it all properly to combine. So I'm going to set this aside. As you see, this is how our dough looks like at this point. I'm just going to set this aside. And the next thing we're going to work on will be our egg white. So I will pour it in here once more. And I'm going to use my mixer once more to just for about 3 minutes. Next, I'll proceed to combine the white back into our dough. And I'm just going to mix it properly until everything combines.
Very nice.
So guys, here's our consistency, the mixture. Now, depending on how your dough is, if you find it a little bit hard, you may want to add maybe 2 tablespoons of water or milk or any liquid of your choice. But this is how it should be. And remember, I use coconut sugar, which is brown. So obviously my dough is going to be brown, not as the color of the flour anymore. So I'm going to set this aside. And at this point, I also preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I have my baking pan right here. I went ahead and I oiled it with a little bit of butter, but I'm still going to use my parchment paper. So I'm going to put it inside. I just love to use parchment paper then, because once the cake bakes, it's going to make it easier to take it out of the pan. So to that, I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my dough. I'm just going to go in with the sliced almonds, and I'm just going to put it to the top. This, like so. I'm just going right now to pop this into my oven. It should take about 25 to 30 minutes until it is nice and golden brown. And I'll come back to you to just show you how a cake looks like from the oven. So guys, our cake has baked. As you can see, it looks beautiful, nice and golden brown, and it smells amazing. Like the smell of baked almond is so good. I'm just gonna slide it out of the pan, and I'll just remove the parchment paper. Also, you can see how it looks. Take a look at how the bottom is. Oops, look at that. So beautiful. I'll just let it cool down on here a little bit, and I will show you in a moment how it looks like inside. But it looks beautiful. It looks amazing. So y'all, our cake has cooled down, and I'm just showing you how it looks like from the inside. Sorry, I'm already so, my mouth is so watery right now. I cannot wait to take a bite. It looks so beautiful. This is really one of my favorite recipes, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. It is so tasty. There's just something about baking almond flour. It smells amazing. It tastes so good. It is so filling, and really, if you are looking to really cut back on your calories and don't eat as often, almond flour recipes are definitely the ones that you want to try, because they keep you full longer basically. Yeah, that's it guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, a big thumbs up guys. Also, please subscribe to my channel, join the family. What are you waiting for if you haven't? So we can grow together, we can support each other together in this journey. And when you do subscribe, please make sure to hit that notification bell. Most often people forget to hit the notification bell so that it can notify you anytime that I am uploading a new video, so you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until I come your way next time with something healthy, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe, and bye everyone.